switch from Airtel Prepaid to Postpaid? Step 1. Visit an Airtel service center. Go to the nearest Airtel service center and inform the customer representative that you want to migrate your prepaid line to a postpaid plan. Step 2. Present your Airtel number and valid ID. Provide the Airtel number you want to migrate along with a valid means of identification. Airtel will verify your account before processing your request. Step 3. Choose a postpaid plan. Review the available postpaid plan and select the one that best fits your calling, SMS, and data needs. The representative will explain the monthly credit limit and billing process. Step 4. Complete the registration process. Fill out any required forms and submit the necessary documents. Airtel will process your request and activate your postpaid service once your application is approved. This typically takes up to 24 hours. Step 5. Start using your postpaid line. Once your migration is complete, your existing Airtel SIM remains the same, but your line will operate on a postpaid account. Your monthly bill will be sent to the email address you provided during registration.